the president can say cocoa farmers deserve respect. Right. And for that case, they must be paid in sika omu deserve. And abayin society sasem no say it's a cocoa board for 70% of whatever price you can turn abonting. That promise was kept. That is why President Mahamadu said cocoa no FOB price at the time now is $7,000. $7,000 no otchere emu 5,040, which constitutes 70% of the FOB price at the cocoa farmer. Unfortunate side for cocoa farmer, and say at the time I don't know, 70% no, not dollar no about from. Enti sa wo gauge against sikan esenko munya 5,500 to 6,000. Senka dollar ni 16 cedis. Na dollar reduction no han empe. Because in as much as ebema wo import, your friend say wo export boye den no, import so boye den. Emma nipa no mo to ade wo man mu no. So ene the city stabilization, I bring the economy to a certain level where there is this uniformity. Price, cars, and then as a form, never boaba form. But one way or the other, cocoa query or only 50 million and not all pagino. Nensanka because of the dollar rate. And so we are journalists now to radio soon as I will discuss it. This cocoa bono because I buy name farmers and you will tell them say. The promise was to pay 70% of the FOB price, which has been paid.
That's right.
Omutia FOB price in the 70%, the price was higher in Cote d'Ivoire. So there was another adjustment. Buying the kakrabi, I think 200 or something to bridge the gap. Sabaya Ghana income the cocoa and from Cote d'Ivoire. So that is where the debate must end. Then the subsequent event, share Ebamu. Cocoa price at the world market starting at 7,000 a drop it. The same said the last time I checked it was around 3,900. Oh good. So 3,900 I'm moving from the 7,000 already and dollar no so boaba from. So the government, what do you do? Are you going to pay the old price? Makato said the financing model Cocoa Board is using today and just syndicated loan because ya and now what yes ya bonti amoya fly and then as for nam chroming Cocoa Board ne book car to the stand say Alaska Cocoa Board no mine and kasa kwanti min ko babo say Cocoa Board for the first time at your maimu state entity and Tom board and Tom banchi Bank of Ghana boka over 60 billion ECG boka to the stand say company no na guana na egu tese which state-owned enterprise under the last 8 years and suffer liquidity challenges in this country to the stand say the cocoa processing company sells or processing company or processing cocoa no or more japade na bank de egu ye court to de egu apampa so say ye auction their properties meboa all because of these challenges.
That is PBC.
Yes. And again Cocoa Board randia be befa no all banana kwabrania kwakwa Jessica say over supply cocoa. There was a backlog of about 400,000 metric tons of cocoa. Yentimian supply. And in the pana yakono wa yakwakwa Jessica mo ye fazai a buyer model financing, what in the car. So you have to pay.
Okay.
Pay, cocoa be a yato. The last time Cocoa Board catch us wato cocoa akakra 580,000. 580,000 emu 400,000 so duko tuyaka
until the over Tobiano I was so duko tuyaka
na Alaska na wo de meka o mensia to cocoa afiri hobi ma bra last year wo de meka
da bi fasa brabete aka no
and the cocoa motor na fi nyina no dodo na ekotua previous way price na ye de man no so ye price ye de wo na twa to ho and because aye kantino omo two price ni say who that cocoa they were selling around $2,000 thereabout. And the way a swati by Ukrano, a new price, and do fat to cocoa this year. If you turn 3,000 metric tons, can last year, what the cat? Abura, a man for a bogu no. And then today, these jokers are in the villages trying to sell propaganda to your friends, a cocoa farmer. Now, let's go. Where then what Blemuno? Call by Aaron Abatenaso. A forensic audit must start.
That's right.
And can these criminals are facing prosecution and can no crown communia be? You want to cocoa board but if you don't, and then you give them that energy, and the power of cocoa board from Safi if you go for Nisa, go and look at how he was promoted.
That's right.
Not besides if unmerited that promotion, you know, within a short period because no, yeah, more my FM, you got time no straight to cocoa board. So yeah, then.
Office of the winner saying like
cocoa board contract. Every year, Tamaya, Yerene, Manum, and we destroyed virtually the place. The same people today have energy on radio, so and media people are engaging them, and they are not even asking them the critical questions.
Sadly.
So you ask the person, say, "What corner cocoa board send it here? Financing model no send it here." Because you see, I'm not say cocoa board, and yes, and I know John Mahama proposed to say, "All the your guaranteed source of funding, I be a locally based financing model. I ya cocoa, your friends say bond or they bar. Because say cocoa board no, kwambe no before so benyesika. No one say ya me here cocoa, but jisika koto breme. Enti Ghana, ye goro boy in terms of this cocoa buying. Oh yes, ye goro boys. Because be that nisika mine, and I yet on the kwamano. Yes, obisika no dia because you don't have any sustained financing model. Alaska, and I'm saying ye goro boy, you know. What promise you uncle for cocoa price? So what call your friend is saying world market now? Or no, he's looking at the price there. That's not right. Price at what promise you cocoa farmers. And this challenge yeah, yet NPP for this saying so Cote d'Ivoire is different from your friends Ghana. Cote d'Ivoire is looking at the way I'm betting on cocoa no so because Ghana so.
That's right.
And again, nobody is buying. Turn what turn price ben or they turn about because price is not dropping every day, it is going down.
Now they have even told the cocoa farmers and say almost store cocoa no.
Yes, at the right time.
Someone J are buying price in the
yes.
Send a world market bar.
Yes, and cocoa no part of young no madi. Alaska. So it's a challenge, and this challenge way you are guilty. Because my culture said there has been a systemic failure on our part. What was I say cocoa over the years? I didn't know you to mean for cocoa and processing at the value. Now you so good bottom the quabruchiri. And to the panel no tono or casamin pa then abaye on the determined price amount. By any animal no move here the day. My culture said the level of intellectual dishonesty on the part of these people is so shocking to the stand say. We'll go back to 2022, 2023. Latter part of June, Alaska, cocoa at the world market could drew $12,000, somewhere $10,000, somewhere $13,000 because there is disparity in terms of the market price. Then as a forum, million your friends $1,000 per metric tons. You can't metric tons. Your friends I can't ton. 16 bags. Your friends say cocoa 16 bags and a year ton.
That's right.
So price from cocoa nya no. Cocoa farmer at the time, Sikani Yochana, 2,500. Akufo Addo beko na nso de page abom Mahamadu Bawumia no so de be kan okoye. At the time of cocoa at the world price, and a cocoa farmer could have been paid 70 million. 70 million and Mahamadu NBC for can. It was true because Alaska at that time no, na cocoa no otonwa bag no, and as a ton no, na omotono $13,000 to $12,000. Na dollar 17 cedis, net 16 cedis at the time. Who calculate abo? Never sounds na nkase na nkombeto at the time no na sika ye de ma farmer no na less than 30% of FOB price.
That's a chemu 3 or no for 2.
Na say aburu kra quarter.
Onu no on bia cocoa.
Yes. Na ye de sika no di nsem and near as a farmer and saka by now old chum say yamma cocoa farmer fertilizer and as a phone minano on but now every enough fertilizer na ye ton local DC them nego go ne garage. Sammy man a car Ghana boho and Alaska go and pick the Auditor General's report. Na cocoa board section. Na ko he sika ya de ye your friend is a monitoring and evaluation. Kwabrania Saturday or cocoa inspection. Over millions of Ghana cedis.
Serious administrative cost.
Yes. And I yashino. And na omuba cost na cocoa board na ya overstaff no pa.
That's right.
As a cocoa board. Okoha nipa mugono dilo na nya adwuma. Because you said that Pakiomo, Cocoa Board is overstaffed, almost 100,000 workers across board. Company na Obokano, but no star strength esun. Ndu ukwana na mwana akufie.
At the end of the month.
Yasu fidie ubana be you obey because aban no buy no and oil a man for off. And that's what they've done. So these jokers you hear today, moving from village to village, inciting farmers, this is what they did. And to me, I said, John Mahama Baye, what take a certain decision, and na kwemu, na any reasonable justification, then you have every cause to blame him.
That's right.
But the thing is that, isn't it a fact at the worst stage, price that's what it?
That's right.
No, we've had the conversation, say Cocoa Board at the car. So the question is, should government continue to maintain the old permit? My catcher said the last time I told you, Mayor, because of the political backlash in India, I'll maintain the price. But the price is also say, once you decide to maintain the price, it means Cocoa Board na order kamuno will continue to be over there come.
Exactly.
Cocoa Board will never come out of the debt. No, yeah, Cocoa Board books can never be clean. Now what time Eda Kwakwa Jessica baby? Again, Cocoa Board cannot take any undertaking because you need to present books are you good to be able to convince a banker or whoever for money. And that is another option. And again, yakasa you maintain that particular price in Alaska. None him say a price is Cote d'Ivoire for there.
Oh, that's right.
So what it means is Cote d'Ivoire from Comonia challenge in Kenne or best for cocoa in Yababi Ghana. Now the same no say cocoa Ghana how can you cocoa kitwa among for the bar.
That's right.
Because so we regional sections now, some of the places, I think they occur part like Volta regional, cocoa in the season, you can get about 70,000. Your friend is saying, your metric tons in Nasifon, Alaska, Opasisia, Kohona Kwacheke, Ubenya over 300,000 metric tons of your friend saying cocoa. Never since cocoa, if you find ever. So these are some of the things that you need to calculate and make sure say price rationalization must be done for a long term survival of the Cocoa Board. Then there is the most important aspect of this whole Cocoa Board debate. Utie radio I want to utie debate be I want to among for more kasa ubia meka ho asem the subsequent reforms aba. See when John Mahama came 2016 and the power sector had challenges, he made it quite clear that he was going to solve it. And this Cocoa Board financing model, I've always been against the syndicated loan. Because at the Enimians, I had a Biana in Yamiama Cocoa, Yakojabosia, near Babato, Kutiaka. Let us find a way and Casabit financing idea. Or by or say that particular challenges are going to address it once and for all. So when Ghana Nina didn't seek a bandia Dakoto Cocoa through the Cocoa Bond. So instead of Ken Ofori Atta Otchere, Echo for 2 bond marble for Bato. Now move your buy a coupon on a so say, local banks in a use and amount for Mudo Musica to purchase that cocoa bond. Now Sasikana buy a boa no in cedi, not in dollar. So there is nothing like depreciation. Now Mubaji and not pricing this and you have to pay in dollar. No, that problem is gone. And the government is coming to mop up Sasikano in the system, no? Now they are talking cocoa. And your bar, the Ghanaian farmer will become a beneficiary.
That's right.
The Ghanaian now doing the Sikabo buying Bosianos, through the bond, will also become a beneficiary. So Cocoa Board today is going to have a sustained, your friends say, means of buying cocoa without going externally, without being a goro boy, which is currently what we are doing. Now you mean a sustained financing model. Henceforth, Cocoa Board, ebeye the near my until we are farmer and what is our same way. You should be happy. Because over the years, from Kwame Nkrumah Merasu ne Kwame Nkrumah Nkoya Modaima, ya fa enema foi, me bedi sika foi. Cocoa Board enye hunto ne da. That's always been an entity yedi used to finance a whole lot of silly stuff. And if we are going to get that particular financing, your friends, a model is sustainable. I think that is, and again, Alaska, one key thing over the years, yabu ye gusuno kwanya political parties and say government, FASO, SCC for in terms of how much they should be paid. John Mahama say, henceforth, what he's coming to do is or the legislation parliament.
Okay.
And the Mran say. aban bi abeba bia say wona wo ye hwan na wo ye hwan cocoa farmer no you cannot pay the person less than 70% of the FOB price going forward.
That is the world price,
yes.
world market price.
Yes.
Okay.
So say that's a world market price of cocoa per ton. $100,000. The cocoa farmer is entitled to not less than $70,000.
Okay.
In Alaska, this is the conversation that must be drummed home for people to understand. Say the current challenge, Sankaya buying our cross current challenges, and I'll be for cocoa I will never come and sit here and defend the OP.
That's right.
But the fact is, the problem will be a free bar, and it's not just Ghana, it is happening in Cote d'Ivoire. But the only mistake a cocoa water, the beer mechanic say, on buy on one. Your father, Bonena Krufona Yanosono. Intiane, also, I think I was out to be and take you serious, or be few. And it's the reason why they are struggling telling their story. And in telling their story, the most essential and the crucial part of the story that must be told in bold and plain language for the farmer to get assured, say, the subsequent days ahead, days, the cocoa farmer, the future is secured, anchored on transparency, and government is ready to ensure that they will partner them to achieve the broader way. Alaska, enti say I assured say you bet yauka not less than 70% of the FOB price. What in ye?
So it is all about education.
So why not you want also co-educated?
The Ghana cocoa board, the cocoa board. So must we say some people are sleeping on the job?
Oh, Alaska, it might be too early to say that. You see, my culture say Debbie and Bettina culture say modern governance. And ya bosom na nkrofo kwahye dem omba na omoni ayeko omono mo omakohia bosom nti omono nim omono munim dia kwaso odamu nti ushi omono Alaska omosi den we yes awa na utu amana modern governance. Whatever you go into the room to see, make sure you project it for the people to see.
Okay.
Modern governance is a sort of a collaborative effort. The people play much a bigger role than whoever. What as a CEO, as a president, as whoever. Because at the end of the day, nipa na wubu omu interest. Almost sorry, will become irrelevant.
Exactly.
So you must always keep the people in the know. Let them tell them. Let them know what is happening. And the question is, sir, into now cabinet initiative nearby or Moka say, mobile forensic coordination. No. This thing is long overdue. Because I have sat on this platform and have said it. Say, these entities, ECG, your friend is saying, Cocoa Board, your friend is saying, Minipai, Scholarship Secretariat, and all other places, should have been done long ago. You put the criminals on notice so that people will know what they've done. You tell the cocoa farmers that this is the state these people left the cocoa sector in. You tell them the actual stories, and the fact is, procurement was a Christmas biscuit. Yes, procurement. Alaska. Sir, jute, your friend saying,
jute sacks.
Sacks, and I had the bag of cocoa
bottle.
Kwabena project said this year way, Alaska. Cocoa meeting a producer or kwaji huska ebia 50,000 your friends say 50,000 metric tons of cocoa. Bag and then as for a project over the bar. And this our cocoa extra bag and all the better children mammy and all the better children papa.
Now almost the bar port no sukra na almost clear. No, na
say 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 state na o come ma fish apa o kwa obi to bonus if you oba no we yashonse oba no we yashonse ebinu no procurement no egu bag na ye che
bona biscuit
enti wa kwa ma fish apa bia no kwa no waje o de o ya kra de man no wani age sa na no mo cheche no procurement no o juice sack o beje o juice and they made sure they paid everybody.
That's right.
So the thing came up a lot. NDC buyer not somewhere locked up him. Your friend is saying port, still not somewhere in the offing coming. Yata in essence of our 7 years ahead there.
10 years.
Yes, baby I won't talk jute sack. In Alaska obidi some cross somewhere. Me mama na nkwache na me papa na nkwache no. And I mean I say una ka ho asema na say me mama na me ka ho asema.
former CEO no and Neba.
Yes.
Oh yeah, MP. Now they are everywhere.
Yes.
Woman more actually.
Yes.
I will conclude, mommy.
So Alaska, I think that part of this thing is self-inflicted.
Okay.
Government culture say me the kind of politics I may no fama nyame ne sa ansem hunu no me nyabi. Politics is you could do as all them and the be nyame. But when we are doing politics, you know actions have consequences. Evil men must be paid with evil, no? You treat them the same way they treated the people.
That's right.
Because Akufo Addo and his people demonstrated clearly said they have no respect for the people of this country. They were ready to mess up. Anything a cocoa boss see when it me kofa the ban and nenam. Yanka ban said they been in the bar. Cocoa board so there. And then the bar is involved in the cocoa board discussion and as a phone.
That's right.
Yes. And today, omo the cocoa discussion across board.
Me papa yade 1950 boafo nam ha.
Yes.
Abrante ni nam ha.
Yes.
No say ni papa yade. But during their primaries, amafo chirao the kind of sika.
Na sikampo. Fertilizer na se for ayeche motor bro ni na se for no. Cocoa board the japade na ye chicha ma amamfo.
Right.
Alaska. And you see some of these things sometimes it is not just about the policy direction and as a form, it is also been about radical and going after the very criminals. One yes, I know the day you blame yourself.
May I say that was Ivan Che Innocent and I'll tell him come.
Come Sunday no your tone sir after all party people Omoashama for a general meeting or renew. As Alaska the issue of this cocoa board war. Meanwhile,
that's right.
A calculation, but I want to take it from another angle and the behavior of the NDC. NDC is Subembia. And this is not the first time.
Ato FM 92.3.
Alaska Kapa say in the year 2008-9, Yaba Abemu, na NPP Abanwe, a broker, a Yenyama Ensen Fata. To the extent say, in terms of your Kayedi. To the IMF, no, they have underestimated it. And what we came to me, they have 2 years. And then the then finance minister, was compelled, instead of spilling out the beans, no, to say the economy, no, is challenged. The real terms that was supposed to be used was not used, just to cover up things to give Ghana some safe face before the international monetary community. Now, Alaska, and now I'm not going to say here, what are we even talking about? What are we even crying about with regards to this cocoa sector thing? Why? GM Makako told me Ghana. And now say, Ghana, Akako Diobika.
Gabby.
So, Asembe Naba. Do you know? Yari COVID levy, COVID sika, ebe mano. Ono, ejiye. Otchere man a party for 100,000, 50,000, 5,000. Anyone can crawl, one some crop on the anchor. The ono, eko finance. Obe set up the lab center ewo, Kotoka International Airport. Eji scam millions of dollars. Ebe UH no, na de obe jade ma Ghana no. Now it was nothing to talk about. And no crap on Ghana for. And to go about so. Some kwako demonstration. Abaya. Wama yesika sem. Akwa pay. And so no sorry fi abemu. Obi anye demonstration entiano. Na Alaska. Abaya onu answer onu beba. The ono bebe 2 years in terms of the cocoa sector. Say can't be a one managing cocoa sector ni ye. And now so be a one cocoa sector in say a si forma. Na ye can't buy a baby chimokwa. Then na do dan Akufo Addo abain. Because in the year 2016, answer ye be fi on major hon mama. What was the metric tons of cocoa na Ghana produce as at that time? And even the more we produce as at that time, the more money we're making for the country. And Alaska, as at the time, another Danko Akufo Addo every fear the 800,000 and 840 something metric tons in 2016 that we were producing, which was some at one point it hit 1 million metric tons.
That's right.
As I speak to you, in 2025, I baby take you over no. The 2023-2024 cocoa season. Do you know the metric ton that Akufo Addo and his government was producing? That is 424,000
from almost 1 million.
That was what they were producing.
Very useless government.
So such a government, I buy beef so now all the cocoa, all the fertilizer, Emma for free. I buy budget fertilizer no, I can say fertilizer no, or ton. They go any app in the houses of municipal chief executives and
Ato FM 92.3.
I buy an I can want some more 2 more go abonte so. I almost a buy a tissue. I am your monster and some fata. I buy we and an administrative expenses pay. I had 3 billion Ghana cedis.
Hey,
yen to paper, yen trowe, yen we 3 billion Ghana cedis.
Ye baba meeting and I am a
kaya broody
3 billion.
3 billion Ghana cedis. Yes, sir, no. Omunya hue. Such people, enya one day, enya nimdie, eniwo, eniomu, oniomoso. Amu fi said, omuye eniwo se ene. Omomenya kukudro. Na onu chief executive officer. Kennedy Agyapong, you have the tape here. Everybody could say, "What's your no?" And we collapse cocoa, everything, cocoa board. And when now, everybody 2 Kwaku do be just a campaign. Kona drink cocoa sector, no nation said, "Obviously, every cocoa sector managing." Is it not the same government? Kennedy Agyapong and this.
That's right.
And what time did he make such statement? That was in 2020. I read 2020. If I remember, no, that was 2020.
That was 2023.
2023. I know that's a statement, you know. Now 2023, 2024, any day woman say what is the difference? Now today, this same chief executive officer and then the back and I'm 2 way sick room and I'm one sem. The bad and I conference what prevented us? What prevented Randiabi as the chief executive officer for putting a mess of cocoa board, whatever it is? Per who Randiabe is and he knew and his understanding of issues, you know, he knew very well the mess
that they have created.
They have created.
And na all cover.
Who are all cover? Who was he managing?
2.3.
Who was he managing? And then look at that, what they are doing to him. The very people, I will not say he was seeking to cover them, but per what has been put out, and that is how it looks like.
But me who are Randy when say can I say a problem near my babeto. Mami solve problem no.
Is this you don't manage
exactly. But first and foremost, let us identify the problem.
Yes.
A Jumani a Ghana for dia.
That is it.
So my Ghana for hunia ekwaso.
That is it.
So what was that? Anytime about say dia samba, omo ye dede pa no omo me akromfo no.
That is it.
Can you tell
because I'm will paint a certain picture. And the Magana for into at the end of the day, no kono koko susu mu a e ba be ye na yakayaka dia onu edika abodi bone dia chairman sande da enti ba be wi ara ka se na wo da ba de na wo ye ohun na wo anansi ayi asenya na wo na koko chi obi e ba be twe na so. That's clearly what is happening, because if not that, what is the offense of government? Or say dear we try to go on e go forward no me the matter na as per the time as a born back from no mechi ahoka amao.
That's right.
And you can now abon any day as a farmer. Who can now abon any day? Also 50,000 tons na ka so farmer meto. What you say? By ye ko enimu no per the price reduction assistance today no and no mean to me kasa meto etia old price na den e dia amao. Inti e ko na meto ade e won say na me de mechi amao. About from so any day.
Enti a cocoa board any mo communicators ni bi isu na ntumi nkyere asem no mu yie. De woman say dia abaye no dia wato so bo na wato so da any ne wato no. Because we on toy. Baby. Ne wato no and no say sa price ni dia megina. But ya this one man say gwa so. Yate so I was so no. I was say yate so.
That is all.
It was a buy at cocoa so cocoa banana dia kwa wate. So that's right.
And so what is the issue? Issue na ne dia hin.
Ato FM.
Na okwabra na nya ho afaka. Afa V8. E dia kwa akonkrase. The very people you do not care for, you do not care about. When they were crying and ne when nya ho abo position. Enye sika. E kwa show mu kutupa. Now, so she also for a cocoa farmers, no, Yamin's Romo.
That's right.
What do I say? Etuka, and who are you trying to incite? And what are you inciting the people over? Over what? Abai now, no, and manage the situation, no. No, and yes, a skinny beef abba, and one for aquacoche baby. Says also me yiske gumbonting. Obi a matter the cocoa one will be into a babajusika at the old price as it used to be.
That's right.
So what is the problem? So what are they crying over? You see, this tells us going into 2028, you know, this is the kind of politics these people are going to play. Because it's not about what is at stake. It's not about the facts on the ground. It's about the impression, the opinion that they are going to create to sell out to the people. And then yes, I'm man to be boss. What you say? Now, Coco na yema 2,554 no. The difference between here and any Cote d'Ivoire there no how many 300. What you say? Meanwhile here there no yemo makadie. You go to mom. Na
Cote d'Ivoire yemo
Ato FM 92.
I don't know my Coco no esumbo sonko. I will join my so. What do you say? So what is the difference? And radio stations are playing recordings of Cote d'Ivoire. I clearly show, say, look, what is going on? And yet, be His Excellency John Dramani Mama, and our born is slim, and the person of cocoa farmers, and on the other way to job. But it's something that is all over.
But you see, Alan, I understand the pain and frustration, but the fact still remains, as Ivan rightly said, you know, it is someone sleeping on the job.
That is it.
And moko every institution, is it when you are there, one person mobeka. And one thing I like about the NDC is that one issue comes, they don't massage. And you'll be a Juma, Yafa Netuan Hoka. In the first place, who quite now this issue say they are doing rollover. I deal with everybody done one can. Why you saying it now?
1 year. Over 1 year, and that's almost about 1 year because they were not appointed as at the same time we came to office.
That's right.
Okay, so you cannot say exactly 1 year. Obi ono sorry if you so. Now we use $48 million. Say if I go to Okosa be for bigum. Alaska. But whatever they are telling us, yes, said the Agyarko hormone. 92. Japan you know na koko board. Nanko musika ene mo ba mo be sori afisu na koko board edeka enso mo se mo ntibida ye na ebe bobo so
eno no ebribe na wo se mo ka kire Ghana for ene ya mo kan mo nyi dis problem iba nti na mo ka
na ti o ense hu bi asa branch no na me kura se ne ka ne se na ye ka ya ye Agyarko ho no e go dis digete lo na ye ntime ntwi aho ka ye Agyarko ho no no hina na ombe se be tue sa aka ni se ya ba na asa ba beto sa aka na.
That's right.
Also, syndicated loan, I cocoji and pension. I carry brugu hormone. I sorry fear Kunyanosono. Say, nay, Abania Saba, the two canny bioma. I don't think issue. So it means that there's a debt. But when most of the communicators are talking, say, yeah, Omen Jackabian toward move.
Oh, no, but I said the tennis. Oh, never call of the bluff and say, must start prosecute.
And that is all. Oh, that is all. And that, see, one incident and me. Sign it in Nana when one. Easy sign and one. All the mess that went on in ECG. It's on. The very people who are the actors of corruption in ECG, they are still there, they are making noise.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.